Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I fix my kind of a honey blonde color with some natural instinct box dye that I'm going to mix. I'll put the name below, but it's number 9 and number 8. It's a light blonde and kind of like a medium blonde. I'm going to mix them together. This is a temporary hair color, so it's less harsh on your hair and it'll last 28 washes. Before I explain a little bit, I just want to say some of my videos are sometime 2-3 months after I film them because sometimes I'm just busy, I don't have time to edit, or I just sometimes decide to just put another video before. So this one was filmed this summer, but I always put the color in the same exact order that I did them on my hair. So the video before of the do-it-yourself paint-to highlight is the color that I put before this one. As you can see, my hair is kind of like different shade right now. There's like the gray because of the toner that I left too long, some blue green, some orange, and some kind of brassy honey blonde. So I just wanted to put this temporary color to make sure that it looks more like one shade of a honey blonde kind of gold color. When I'm fixing my hair color with temporary hair dye, I don't really separate my hair. I just mix it and just put it with the brush, as you can see. Then after I separate a little bit to make sure all my hair is saturated with the product. And this is it, guys. Not really complicated. I just put the color all over my hair. I let it for 20 minutes. This is my hair after I wash them. It looks brassy on camera, but it doesn't look as brassy. This is the result. If you've been on my channel, you know that when I like the result, I just have to do slow motion. So here we go. So this is my result. I really love the color. It's like a honey blonde gold. I'm not sure, but I like that it's even. There's no more like orange or because of the toner, some green or blue. So this is it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? I'll probably gonna bleach just a little bit of like some highlights to have kind of like a more blonde on top and like in front of my face, but I'm probably gonna do this like in a month so I can give my hair a break. I cut them a little bit more, but now I put some water so the curls are not as defined, but you can see that I have some damage, but it's not that bad. And the damage is not because of the color, but because of the bleach. And the color looks a little bit more brassy inside. But this is my result. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bonjour.